Good morning, Sweet Home Huskies.
I'm McKenna.
I'm Brooke.
And welcome to our Teacher Payoff Assembly.
Today, we have a bunch of stuff to talk about.
And a lot of new games to play.
So, let's get on with it. What are you going to do for Thanksgiving this year?
Just spending time with family, stuff like that. Have Thanksgiving dinner.
That's always most important.
And Bryson, what are you most thankful for?
I think the thing I'm most grateful for is my family and the time I have to be with them.
What are you doing this year on Thanksgiving, Bryson?
I honestly don't know. We usually just hang out and eat food, but what's Thanksgiving without family, right?
Emmy, what are you most thankful for this year?
Maybe my family. What is your favorite Thanksgiving food?
Maybe, I don't know, mashed potatoes are pretty good, I guess.
Same.
What's your favorite thing to do on Thanksgiving?
Hang out with my family.
I'm here with Bailey Chapin. Hi.
And Bella Wagner.
Hi.
What are you guys most thankful for?
My sister coming into town to practice with me.
I'm most thankful for my friends and my church community. What is your guys' favorite Thanksgiving memory?
My cousin's wrestling in the living room.
What's been your favorite Thanksgiving memory?
I really like getting together with family.
And your favorite topic?
And I enjoy eating.
Oh yeah, eating's the best. That's what it's all about. Food and turkey.
What's your favorite food to eat?
I like turkey. I really like mashed potatoes though.
Me too.
Gravy too?
Oh yeah, you can't leave that out. Come on now.
What about like the sweet potatoes and marshmallows?
Negative, Ghost Rider. I will not eat the sweet potatoes.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, thanks guys.
Bodie Hart.
Killen, Josh, Connor.
What's been your guys' favorite Thanksgiving memory?
Ooh, probably football.
Eating a lot of food. Probably visiting family in South Dakota. Eating food.
Those are a lot of great things. What's your guys' favorite Thanksgiving food?
Probably the pie.
Mac and cheese. Turkey. Mac and cheese.
Okay, the pie, what kind of pie? It has to be like apple or pumpkin.
I'd say raspberry.
Oh, I've never had that. That sounds actually really good.
Probably say chocolate pie. Apple.
All right, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Right. 3, 2, 1, go.
I think these students look fantastic.
They're doing a great job over there.
Okay, so we got
Seniors in first place.
The jump technique did pay off. Sophomores. What's going on over there? Okay. This is close. Oh.
Juniors in third.
Hey, juniors third. And freshmen fourth. This way.
Let's see who hits the trash can first.
Go.
Oh, here we
They're
go.
going fast.
Time. We are out. Me? Yes, all right. Hop up. Link up. Okay, we are down one junior.
Junior out.
Link it up, link it up. Go. Switch direction, switch direction, switch direction. Time.
That looked like two.
Out. Here we go.
Freshman out. One freshman, two sophomores, one junior, two seniors.
Link it up, ready? Go. Time. Baby's out. Link it up.
They drug her into that.
Okay, we got a freshman. Oh! You and you. Sophomores, fourth place.
Look at him go.
Okay, juniors and seniors, here we go. Go
The
ahead.
crowd's getting loud. Seniors
Seniors take
win. Brody Olson
Seniors take
out,
it.
second
Hey, let's
place.
see.
Who are we here with? Oh, Addison Graver.
The winner of the trash can game. How does it feel? Tiring. How much effort did it take to try and get them to hit the trash can?
A lot more than you would expect.
I need 4 class advisors.
It was
I
pretty
need an
aggressive
advisor
out
to
there.
come
Were you
down.
scared?
We are going to have you
Later,
guys throwing
everyone
dodgeballs
was
at
teaming
students.
against the
Come on
seniors,
down.
but we still came
I
out
need
on
an
top.
advisor from each class.
Go Addie. Good job.
Throwing
Thank you.
dodgeball. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh,
Pigs are falling off their feet.
hey, you got hit again. Yeah, we're done now. Hey, and that's the game. Looks like seniors first, sophomore second, freshman third, juniors fourth.
How hard was it to walk on those pigs?
You know, it was kind of light. I mean, I guess running was kind of hard, but walking, easy. Everybody else is just slower than me, so, you know.
I didn't hear that much squeaking out there.
I mean, they didn't really work that much.
We're here with Dr. Neal. He just got inked,
Henna tattoo.
henna tattooed. Can we see what it says?
Yeah, it says I Heart Biology. You want to see it? There we go.
Guys, I think
How did
he
it feel
likes
getting
biology.
henna?
It was fun. I thought it was a lot of fun.
Looks like
And
they
we are
all have a
going to cup
balloon
stack
in their mouth.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh no. Oh, good save by the senior. No hands.
Crowd's going crazy for them right now.
We got seniors.
Seniors in first. Juniors in second. Freshmen in third. Sophomores in third.
And sophomores.
That game looked fun.
All right.
Who are we here with?
My name is Max Klump.
How does it feel to beat everybody?
It's pretty good. I mean, it's par for the course, you know. That's
One of
number
you will
4.
be gathering those
Won every game
ping
so
pong
far.
balls so that we can throw as many
This is a
as
new
we
game. Does
can.
it feel good winning the new game of the year?
It does feel good. I'm a little lightheaded. Yeah, a little lightheaded, but feel good.
Took a lot of breath out of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
This
Here we
game looks
go.
pretty tasty.
Does each person have 12 ping pong balls? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
I don't see any of them sticking yet.
Oh,
Freshman
freshman
got
got
one.
one.
5 seconds left.
Most of them are just falling.
I think freshmen are winning.
Freshmen have a
3,
ton.
2,
Juniors have some.
1. Time. 1, 2,
Oh, it all fell. That's going to be hard to count.
1. Okay, here's how it's going to go. We're going to go juniors and freshmen. First place points tied at 2 apiece. Sophomores and seniors. When do you
She's
want?
looking a little
Drum
nervous.
roll.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Towels, let's get those towels in there.
He really took that
Okay, Mr.
seriously.
Jacobson, come on down. Hey, let's give it a round. Oh, Keegan, you don't want? Okay, let's go.
I think this is going to be a good one.
Oh, smack face.
Oh, he's still going for it.
Oh. Hey, big round of applause for Mr. Jacobson and Ms. Gillespie. Thank you so much for all you guys do, helping us reach our goals. And what did they say?
How did it feel getting pied in the face?
That's good to hear.
Great.
Sharon, some good.
Great.
Did
Some
you
good
guys
news
take it
between
personal?
Oh no, it's all good fun.
Not at all.
Was it fun at least?
Okay, this next game
The pies looked
is a
delicious
balloon
before they were
pop relay.
smashed. That's all I gotta
You
say.
are going to have three students
They
on
tasted
the
great
baseline
as they were
down
going
there.
out and
You are going
hit in
to
the
have
face, yeah.
three
Well, that's a
students,
plus.
one of them
I mean,
standing, one of
you
them
can't
sitting,
argue with that.
one of them
Have
laying
fun getting
down
cleaned
back
up.
here.
Well, thank you.
You are going to
Thank you,
pop
guys.
the
Thank
balloon.
you.
Go!
Seniors are in the lead so far. Oh my goodness! They're flying out of their chairs. Thank you guys for coming to our teacher payoff assembly.